Kraken Pro Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Kraken Pro are in the description below. In this review, I'll cover its features, who it's best suited for, and whether it's a strong choice for crypto investors and traders. Kraken Pro is the advanced trading platform from Kraken, designed for users who need low fees, deep liquidity, and professional-grade tools. It offers spot trading, margin trading, and futures, making it one of the most feature-rich exchanges available. With access to over 200 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various altcoins, Kraken Pro caters to both retail and institutional traders. A major advantage is its low trading fees, which follow a maker-taker model. Fees start at 0.16% for makers and 0.26% for takers, but they drop significantly with higher trading volumes. This makes it an attractive option compared to other exchanges like Binance US or Coinbase Pro. For margin traders, Kraken Pro offers up to 5x leverage on select assets, and its futures trading platform allows for up to 50x leverage, making it a great choice for active traders looking to maximize their positions. In terms of security, Kraken Pro is one of the most trusted platforms in the industry. It uses cold storage for most assets, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and strict KYC verification to ensure user protection. Additionally, Kraken has never been hacked, a rarity among major crypto exchanges. The platform is available on desktop and mobile, featuring advanced charting tools, multiple order types, and customizable trading interfaces. Its API integration also makes it a preferred choice for algorithmic traders. However, deposit and withdrawal options vary by country, with ACH and wire transfers available for US users, but limited debit credit card support. Kraken Pro is best suited for serious traders, institutional investors, and those looking for a high-performance exchange with low fees and deep liquidity. It may not be ideal for absolute beginners due to its complexity, but for experienced users, it's one of the best trading platforms available. If you're interested, check out the links in the description to get started.